You're listening to those two IM guys podcast. You'll find interviews, reviews, and interesting topics discussed inside with your hosts, Tony Earp and James Kennedy. So, what are you waiting for? Get inside! Hello and welcome to another episode of Those Two IM Guys with myself, James Kennedy, and my co-host, Tony Earp. Tony, I would love you to introduce our guest today.
Yeah, I'll certainly do that, James. First of all, thank you to our viewers and listeners for joining us today. We truly appreciate it. Yeah, guys, we've got an amazing guest who's been on the show before. So without further ado, please welcome Cyril Gupta to the show. Hi, Cyril.
Hi, guys.
Hey, Cyril.
Hello from Thailand. That's where I'm right now. It's sunny and beautiful over here, and I started traveling again. So once again, a big hello from Thailand, and good to be in this beautiful country right now.
Oh, we're jealous. We're jealous, Cyril. It's very cold here at the moment in the UK, as we discussed before the show started.
Yeah. And if I knew you were in Thailand before I started, I would have wore a tie, to get with the theme.
James,
you know, here is the thing about Thailand. You never wear pants over here. Absolutely nobody wears pants. Forget a tie. Nobody's wearing pants here.
After that joke of James's, I think I know what his Christmas present's going to be, and that's a new joke book, I think.
Oh, man. Well.
Wait, guys, Cyril is on the show to tell us about his amazing, well, it's not a new product, it's an upgrade to an existing product called CloudFunnels. This is version 2. And Cyril's going to tell us all about that during the show. We have got some questions we're going to ask him. James, do you want to kick the show off with the first question?
Yeah, so, obviously, last time we asked you an icebreaker, something we didn't know about you, so we won't do that again, Cyril. That's usually just for our first time we've got a new guest on. And to be honest with you, probably that much information, you can probably tell us another one anyway. But tell us, I don't know this product personally, so tell us all about the product.
Absolutely. Guys, in this CloudFunnels, the product that we're talking about, like Tony said, it's not exactly the first launch of the product, but it is like something, like this product has been made on steroids, and the version that I have right now, it's far beyond. Like the first version is not even comparable. It's like comparing a standard Toyota to let's say a Mercedes or a.
Right, Cyril, you've just froze up.
Complete revamp. Okay, so am I audible?
Yeah, I hear you now. As I say, you got to Mercedes and then it kind of wished.
Okay, I'm just gonna start over. So guys, I got to say this: CloudFunnels to the second version of the product is something that is way beyond the first version. If I could compare it to something, I would compare it to a Toyota and a Mercedes. That is the amount of difference in these two products. It's like a complete revamp. It's a complete rewrite. We started from the beginning and made it into something strikingly different and amazing, because we had a lot of learning along this time. So, when we launched CloudFunnels 1 about a year and a half ago, we brought something into the market that was absolutely new. Nobody had done a funnel builder that you could actually install on any hosting. And it was something that was taken very, very well. We did about 8,000 copies in sales, and it gave us a lot of insights into the market about what people want, how are they setting up their funnels, what kind of problems they're facing. And we've been working to develop this version, the version 2, not just in the last 3 months or 4 months. We've been working since 1 year continuously, adding on features, increasing, systems, making systems better, making the flow of things better to make it look and work better for all the users. And I got to say, right now, this product has really matured. And what we have today is something that is incredibly ahead of not just CloudFunnels 1, but everything else in the market. For example, let me just give you one small instance of how it is leading the pack. We have built a system to have plugins inside of CloudFunnels. And this is the only funnel builder that supports it. It supports a plugin system that people can use. So, you can actually, if you want, you can actually get a plugin written in PHP, the simplest system ever, and get your own custom systems developed. Let's say you got an e-store, and you want some special feature, you could get it developed. But beyond that, what we've done is we have created dozens and dozens of plugins for CloudFunnels that are available out of the box for our customers. For instance, guys, have you seen the conversion pop, plugin that you might have seen in many places? The proof conversion, they typically charge something like $49 a month to let you have that plugin. And then when you enable it, whenever somebody visits your website, they see a little pop-up box that says, Brad from Canada bought this product 2 hours ago or 3 hours ago. And it's a great way to have some social proof on the page. It increases conversion manifold. What we've done is we've created a plugin for CloudFunnels that we are giving everybody free of cost. So there is a marketplace for CloudFunnels at marketplace.cloudfunnels.in. Anybody who's using CloudFunnels can go to that marketplace, and you will find dozens and dozens of plugins that you can just integrate in CloudFunnels, your funnels, with just a click of a button. And that was just one. We have many. We've got surveys, we've got reviews, we've got the spin reward system, which is very popular in Shopify, where somebody clicks a button, the wheel spins, and they get a little bonus or bounty or something. Yeah. We've got Exit Pop. We've got the best Exit Pop system out there. So if you're paying something like $20 for OptiMonster a month, no need to do that. With CloudFunnels, you get it out of the box. So basically, CloudFunnels is a replacement not just for, let's say, ClickFunnels, which is for $197 for the plan that really works, but for all the other things that you would need to buy to get ClickFunnels to work. So it's like a complete solution for funnel building. And that's just one part. Like, it just goes on, and I'm sure we'll talk about all those stuff as we get into the interview. You will ask me questions, and I will keep telling you what are the other things that we're doing in this. But this was just a big instance of how we've innovated.
Those plugins sound incredible. Now, can I just reiterate? You get one of those plugins, the actual opt-in, the pop one, you get that free. But the other plugins, they're able to buy other plugins.
Absolutely, everything is free. They're all free.
Those are all free.
Yeah.
Wow, yes. That's insane.
I'll tell you, my mission is to see CloudFunnels leading the funnel builders segment. That's what I'm out to do, and that means like on a global level, my mission is to have most number of sites hosted on CloudFunnels. At this time, there are 3,000 domains on CloudFunnels right now. I want to take it to 30,000, even 300,000 as time goes by. So I have started by giving people the best option possible. I'm not a guru like Russell Brunson. I don't have the reach, the marketing presence, the amazing systems that he has in place. But I've got something I can build according to my record and my belief in myself. I can build a better product. I can build something that really serves the market, that really serves the user. And that's how I'm going to make a difference to everyone, by offering them a product that really differentiates on the product itself. I'm not trying to sell my image. I'm trying to sell the product here.
Cyril, I've got to say, I totally get where you're coming from. And for those of you who don't know who Russell Brunson is, he is the guy behind ClickFunnels. And a lot of people ask me about ClickFunnels and they say, what is it? And I tell people that, when you sign up for a free opt-in and it's free, well, when you sign up to ClickFunnels, it's paid, but it's literally like a free opt-in, because it's literally your foot in the door in the ClickFunnels mega funnel, because that goes down to like,
and then nothing's free, James, after that.
And nothing's free because you get in at $99, and then the next one is $199, then $299,
yes.
And then they want to sell you this training and that training, and it goes all the way down to you can literally sit around a table with Russell Brunson for $200,000 a year or something ridiculous. And don't get me wrong, he has got an incredible marketing machine, and I mean, to watch it is awe-inspiring. But again, as you say, Cyril, you are creating a product. Russell Brunson is the product. People are buying into
Absolutely.
the showbiz, and you see him turning into Batman on the side of your Facebook page, etc. It's crazy.
And ultimately, the end cost of that goes to the users, James, doesn't it?
Of course it does. It's all, I mean, everybody, I've always said this to people, whether you're buying Chanel or you're buying Old Spice, the difference in aftershaves is not the product cost, it's the marketing cost on top of that, and that's Absolutely. What you're paying for.
I can talk on a personal level about Cyril's product, so about CloudFunnels, because I've got it and I use it personally. I wanted an alternative to WordPress, because as we all know, guys, WordPress is fantastic, but it requires a lot of maintenance, a lot of updates, etc., etc. With CloudFunnels being HTML, you don't have those issues. You don't have, those issues in that abundance, yeah. And it's a very slick product. I love it, and the value in there is insane, James. As Cyril's pointed out, with all the extra plugins and everything, that you would normally pay a lot extra for those.
That blew me away. I thought it was just one free.
And the fact that it's a one-time payment, that allowed me to avoid having to go into a subscription, or I wouldn't say they're even better products. CloudFunnels is an excellent product. I use it on a regular basis, and I've always found it very easy to use, and it stood me well in my business,
Well, I'm looking forward to getting my teeth into this one as well, to be honest. But again, the question we had next was, what problems does your product solve and how does it help users? And I think I could probably answer this myself. It seems to fix all problems for funnels, especially that recurring income. Now, I understand that obviously paying a recurring monthly is quite imperative to a lot of products because of the support and the development, etc., etc. But Cyril, if you don't mind me saying, I mean, you have got an exceptionally
thank you
tuned product and tuned team.
Can I come in here to
please,
James, a little bit? Okay, so I want to tell people how exactly they can turn it into a recurring income for themselves. Of course, at the very basic level, you can set up funnels for your own business. You can create funnels, and here is another differentiation. For example, CloudFunnels supports 23 payment systems out of the box, all free. So you can have Stripe, you can have PayPal, you can have it connects with ClickBank, with JVZoo, with Vario Plus, it connects with Authorize.net, it connects with ToCheckout, and even the local payment systems in Europe, in Africa, in Asia. Like in India, we've got Razorpay, we've got Instamojo. All these payment systems that are localized. My customers have been telling me, Cyril, we are using, for example, Paystack in our country, or Payfast, and I want to use CloudFunnels with this integration with this payment system because I'm not using PayPal, I'm using Payfast, for instance. So we built it. We built it for them because we know, we're building it for one person, but actually the product is going out to everybody else. So we are listening to our people, and that way we built 23. Just to, James, you froze there. I'm not sure if you're getting me still.
Yeah,
but,
I'm
I
here.
audible?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so I was telling you, we built payment system integrations with 23 different systems, for example. So that's another thing. So you can sell it as a service. Now, funnel building is something, like you said, Russell Brunson is the product, and the best thing that he's done for guys like me is really made funnel building something premium. When you're charging like $50,000 to have a coaching, anybody would want to take a bite out of that, and if they can get something more affordable, they would do it, definitely. So basically, you can do everything that you can do inside of ClickFunnels and more, and you can sell it as a premium service. Let's say you go to a local business or you go to an ad agency and you tell them, okay, I can set up a funnel for you. Usually if you go to ClickFunnels, it's going to cost you like $399 monthly for the product itself, and then the setup is this much, and the email marketing is this much, but I will offer you the entire setup and everything included, let's say for $499 a month or $399 a month, based on whatever price point you can think of and whatever price point you can sell at. You're going to get CloudFunnels right now inside the launch only at a one-time price. After the launch, it goes to recurring, of course. So you can grab it for a one-time price, and you can sell it as a service for month after month, because we don't limit you in the number of domains. If you get the pro version of CloudFunnels, you can install it on an infinite number of domains. So think about that. We're not going to ask you to install it on 10 domains and then tell you, okay, you've got 10,000 visitors a month, give me some more money. That's what the other guys are doing. You have 5,000 visitors, you got to pay them more. You have 10,000 visitors, pay them more. You make more than $10,000 in sale, pay them more. But with CloudFunnels, there is absolutely no restriction. Sell it to all the customers you want, charge them a recurring fee, set up their funnels, make money every way, make money from your funnels, make money from other guys' funnels.
Yeah, that's one of the things I love about CloudFunnels, Cyril, is that because it's a self-hosted solution, you're never going to lose your business. If you're with one of these other, paged funnel builders and you're on a monthly subscription, as we pointed out, we had a little chat before the show, people, are going through hard times at the moment.
Yeah.
If they suddenly can't afford their monthly subscription to one of these other page builders,
it's gone. Yeah, it froze up slightly there, Tony. But yeah,
they lose their business. With Cloudflare, if at some point, because obviously the hard times people are going through at the moment, if they can't afford the monthly or annual subscription, they effectively lose their business.
Yeah, it's crazy, absolutely crazy.
Can I come in here again, guys?
Go for it, Cyril.
Because
okay, so I got to tell you about
because CloudFunnels is self-hosted.
Absolutely, but Tony, we've also super simplified that. So, even when you get ClickFunnels, you got to do some basic technical setup, like you got to set up a DNS on a domain. You got to buy a domain, you got to point your DNS to ClickFunnels servers. And that really is something that you need to think about, because it's not just about the subscription. You are sharing the ClickFunnels cloud infrastructure with about 5,000 other people. I think that's the number of websites on ClickFunnels right now, according to my estimate and my technical analysis.
5,000.
And if one of them, yes, that's what I saw recently. And if one of them sees a DDoS attack or sees some sort of problems, the entire network goes down. And if you are a customer of ClickFunnels, you might have seen that multiple times a year when suddenly ClickFunnels is not responding, it's glitching, it's not fast enough. Now, when you're self-hosted, you're protected from that because your hosting is shielded from everyone else. It's just you. So it's faster, it's more responsive, and you are not affected when somebody else goes down. You are going to be absolutely protected because you are on your own IP. And, it's like you are not going to be in trouble because somebody else got into trouble with some hacker or something. That's one thing.
Yeah.
But we even went, we wanted to make that easy as possible. So we created a system inside of CloudFunnels for people who are not technical at all. Now, technical people, even if they have their own hosting, they can buy their own hosting. They can host CloudFunnels with just one-click install because we have a cPanel integration, which requires no technical setup. But we simplified it even more than that. You can come to CloudFunnels with absolutely nothing, not even a domain. Click a button, put in your domain name, click another button. CloudFunnels will book the domain for you. CloudFunnels will point the domain to the hosting that CloudFunnels will create it by itself. You don't have to do any technical setup at all. No need to put in a DNS, no need to set up anything by hand. Just choose a domain name and everything can happen right inside of the CloudFunnels control panel. You don't have to do any work at all. So that is like simpler, easier than any other solution in the market.
Yeah, it definitely puts you more in control of your pages and your funnels, Cyril, that's for sure. Who would you say is the target market for this, or is it basically everybody that builds pages and funnels?
I would say it's not just funnels. I have tried to make CloudFunnels, with time, I made it even more generic. Funnels is like restricting to only online marketers. But I would say at this stage, CloudFunnels is a great website builder for businesses. That is my new preposition, my new positioning for CloudFunnels. It's not just a funnel builder, it's a business site builder that builds funnels too. It also does your email marketing, by the way. You can, it's got a mini autoresponder inbuilt. So when you make a sale, the customer, or you have an opt-in, like it's got an opt-in system too inbuilt, and with dozens of templates, by the way. So when you have an opt-in page, or you make a sale, the customer is automatically put into a list, and then you can mail that list right inside the CloudFunnels. No need to go to MailChimp and subscribe to MailChimp for, let's say, $50 or $90 or $100 a month. You can use the system inside of CloudFunnels and mail your leads free. So it's like a complete business website builder that automates your site with your landing pages. You can have your landing pages there. You can, even if it's not a funnel, you can have a single page. You can have your opt-in pages there. You can have memberships in it. You can have funnels in it. So it's like a complete business site builder, which is getting better and better with each passing week.
So this reminds me of what this is. It's like the Swiss Army knife of web design, isn't it, really?
Absolutely. It's the Swiss Army knife of business organizations. You can practically build anything you want on it.
Yeah, I like I say, Cyril, I use it on a regular basis and I love it. I found it really, I found it a really great option for me in place of WordPress.
You will love CloudFunnels too even more, Tony. When you get started on it, you're going to love it.
Yeah. I'm really looking to dig in, and I am. Yeah.
Well, what I'm really liking the sound of the fact that it literally does everything for you, because guys, if you don't know this already, I don't do technical. That's why I've got Tony here. He helps me with technical. That's why I've got Cyril's products. That's why I've got other partners on other projects that I work on, because I stick to my wheelhouse. My wheelhouse is graphics, animation, branding, and probably talking a lot. So
your favorite word, James, is automation, isn't it?
Automation, brother, it's key. Automation gives me time so that I can go to Thailand and buy some ties with Cyril next year. That's what I'm looking to do.
Awesome. See you here soon.
Right.
By the way, random fact, this is my favorite country in the world. I've spent a lot of time here, like months and months. I come here every year as much as I can. So just a random fact about me. If you look for me, I will probably be in Thailand.
Cyril, I know that that's your favorite country so far. It's because you have not been to my country yet, Scotland. And when you come,
you were telling me 9 degrees just before we did this.
Yeah, you might die of hypothermia, but you know the scenery will just be stunning, and the whiskey.
I can imagine. I've seen the photographs.
Yeah, Thailand is probably one of the few countries I've never visited, but I'll have to change that in the future and pay a visit.
Do that. Yeah. You will love it.
I'll check if you're there first, Cyril, though.
Absolutely. We will hang out.
I think after you went to the Lady Boys of Bangkok show, it kind of put you off a little bit, Tony, didn't it?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Right now, I'm in Chiang Mai. It's a northern province, and it's not exactly the center of everything. It's a more sleepy place, very, very easygoing. So probably, it will be a better bet than Bangkok.
They say it's a beautiful place, genuinely. And again, after watching a movie called The Beach, was incredible. The scenery is stunning. But so, Cyril, I probably know the answer to this already, but do you have full training available for this product?
Absolutely. Full training, out and out. Actually, I think, I take pride in my training. So if you look at any of my products, you will notice that on every single screen of that product, there is a little tutorial button on every single screen. And when you click on it, you see a video that tells you exactly how to use that part. So we build really, really exhaustive video trainings for every single product that we have. CloudFunnels has the widest amount of training available. And we are not just going to help people use the software. We're going to help them become ace funnel marketers. So it's got training to show you how to build good funnels.
Amazing. Amazing.
Yeah, I can confirm, guys, that Cyril's got really in-depth training on CloudFunnels. But trust me, if I can use it, you can use it. It's super simple to use. Even you could use it, James.
Even me. There we go. The proof will be in the pudding. As I say, I'm looking forward to get my teeth into this. But genuinely, I know a lot of our listeners and viewers, Tony, are not technically minded like some of you superstars out there, But what I will say is anything that I've looked at that Cyril's put out, it is incredible. And again, right now, guys, I mean, the opportunity to make funnels. Now, there's two camps. As Cyril says, obviously, he's pushing more towards website design as well. But there's businesses out there that do not need a funnel. They're not those type of platforms. They don't have an ongoing service. They need a website. So if you are a one-trick pony and you're a funnel builder, it is a competition. I mean, it's like, well, that's no good to me. But there's so many people I've seen trying to use funnels for businesses that would benefit not a job from it, But the money that's to be made, see, when you start mentioning that you're a funnel builder, if you are going down that route, the money that you can make from buying this one-time software is incredible, because I've got every Brunson book that ever was. I was actually thinking about a partnership here, Cyril. Maybe I could be the guy that makes stickers for CloudFunnels.
Awesome.
I'll make the stickers. We'll make a profit selling stickers and merchandise.
I think two of the absolute amazing things about CloudFunnels 2 is that, first of all, it's a one-time payment, guys.
Amazing.
So amazing value for a quality product. And number two, which is even more important to me personally than the money, and I'm sure it will be to a lot of our viewers and listeners, is that it's self-hosted. So you're in control always of your pages, your funnels, and your website, yeah?
Well, we had this conversation, Tony, 2 days ago. As a matter of fact, it was yesterday, regarding obviously self-hosting. And I use a platform that's hosted by another company for an educational product I've got. And the reality is if I ever decided to sell my business, it's got very little value because the infrastructure is held in somebody else's hands. So the business could literally fold the day that business folds, as opposed to with something like CloudFunnels. If I'm hosting everything myself, I can say this, we have got this software, we've got this platform, it's all hosted by us. We don't need to worry about it. You know, it's incredible. I love this. Well, we're froze up.
Wait,
I'm here.
Cyril, you still with us? Okay, cool. Right, okay. Cyril, can I ask, can you tell us a little bit about the funnel, the front end, the OTOs, and the price points, please?
Absolutely. So on the front end, we've got CloudFunnels Elite, which is the entry, which is where you enter the funnel. It's the main product. It's going to be introduced right at launch at $47, and the early bird starts at that price. And as you go into the launch, the price is going to rise pretty rapidly. I'm going to take it all the way up to $6, $7 by the end of the launch. So better grab it early on, you will save more money. Then the second upgrade is CloudFunnels Pro, which actually turns everything into unlimited. So unlimited domains, unlimited number of subdomains, unlimited funnels on each domain. It's got everything, no cap on visitors, all the plugins, you can install it on unlimited places. That is going to be starting at $97 and going all the way to $127. And then we've got CloudFunnels Agency, which allows you to sell CloudFunnels and pocket all the cash. Like you can sell CloudFunnels accounts literally and not have to pay me, not have to pay anybody. And that is going to be starting at $127. And by the end of the launch, I'm going to take it to $197. So better get it on early too. Then we've got the CloudFunnels templates pack. So CloudFunnels comes with about 30 to 40 templates, 35 templates, I think, which are like you have templates for opt-in pages, you have webinar templates, you have landing page templates, it's all there. But the template pack gives you 50 more templates. If the template pack, you got to get 50 more templates. So that expands your options. You get more opt-in pages, more landing pages, pages for different niches. So it's very easy for you to set up funnels for yourself and your clients because you get a number of extra templates that you can modify right inside of CloudFunnels. So we got a great WYSIWYG drag and drop funnel builder in there, the page builder in there. You can quickly modify the templates. So templates pack is a must have, and it's only for $27. That's the next one. Then we have a collection of media assets called StockBin, which is a alternative to, let's say, Shutterstock, all the expensive places where you're paying something like $10 for per image. You can have StockBin, which has about 60,000 images and, like 20,000 GIFs and lots of people shots and all the other things, like even audio and video clips, all the things that you need to make great looking pages. So I'm sure James knows the value of these things. If he's a designer, you got to pay for images if you don't use, if you don't have your own images, and that's like $10, $15, can be anything per image. But in StockBin, you get thousands, literally hundreds of thousands of media assets for about $27. And finally, we have a product called Site Marketers Power Pack, which is targeted towards online marketers to help them get a bigger audience. It's got two great products, Amplify and my Facebook marketing product, which will help you get more customers online through marketing. So you can recruit more people into, whether you're doing lead marketing, whether you're doing sales, taking people to your landing pages, you can get more people in. And that is at $6, $7, and that's the entire funnel.
Fantastic. Wow. Yeah. I must admit, Cyril, one of the things I love about your products and your funnels is that you always give people a really good business opportunity in there as well with the agency version. So not only do they get a great product to use for themselves and their clients, but they've also got an opportunity to sell that product and make some money that way as well. So I must admit, I do love that about what you do with your funnels.
I'm blown away with that.
Yeah. And I have literally, there are people who come to my funnels every time I do a launch, they just pick up the agency version just like that. Because, one of the things that I've committed to ever since I started is maintaining my products. And that's why I can confidently sell the agency version. Let's say, if I was the guy who's not maintaining his products and the product kind of like flails or dies after a year or 2 years, my agency buyers are going to be left in the middle. Sometimes people might be able to sell 10 licenses a month, but they do want to continue making money from it. And I want to maximize this opportunity for them. So my agency buyers are in a very good position because they know that I will maintain the product, I will improve the product.
Yep.
If they're selling it to someone, that customer is going to be able to come down to my sales pages, talk to a live chat expert, and get technical help right, just as if he had bought directly from me. And I'm not going to abandon the product. So that's a really good value proposition for anybody who wants to run an agency, or anybody who's trying to sell things online and make money by selling other people's products. And I would say this is something that people should absolutely grab ASAP.
Yeah, it's for me, Cyril, it's what I call a no-brainer. You know, it's something that if you when you hit that sales page in the funnel, really consider it, guys, because it is a no-brainer. You know, you're getting the opportunity to sell a quality product. You don't get that every day, Cyril, do you? As we know, no, you know, there's a lot of PLR products you can get and stuff like that, but we're talking about quality products here.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm blown away with this because as I'm sitting here, obviously the ideas are going exploding out of my head, you know, because the opportunity for those that don't obviously see the big vision of obviously selling the opportunity on, you can buy the front end, the pro, and the templates pack, and we're talking about less than $200 for all that, which is insane, absolutely insane. But even when you add all the extras,
sorry, James, with the show, we're never going to be able to tell our viewers and our listeners how good this product is. They need to go and check it out for themselves. Honestly,
they've got to.
And I can speak, as I say, on a personal level about this because I use it on a regular basis, and I'm really looking forward to using version 2. But yeah, guys, we're trying to give you a really great overview of how great this product is, but you need to go and check it out to get the full info. Yeah.
So Cyril, I'm really impatient. So when is it coming? Give me it. I want it. What's the date?
29th of October, guys, at 11 a.m. EST. The product goes live then. And that is the best time to buy it, 11 a.m. EST. The more you wait, the more expensive it is. Yep. Again, Tony, you pointed it out earlier. Let me remind everybody who's watching this, is only in the elite version. During the launch, in the beginning, you're going to get it for a time price. Later on, it will be recurring. So if you buy it after month or year after year, so the best time to buy it is during launch, right in the beginning.
Excellent. You did break up a little bit, Cyril, there, but we got the gist of it. So basically, can I buy it at 11 a.m., 29 October?
That's the earliest price point, basically.
Earliest price point. And it's crazy not to buy it.
Cyril, just to confirm, I mean, we are going to have a link below this video with all the, you know, so that our viewers and listeners can access the full information about CloudFunnels version 2. But absolutely. Just to confirm, it is on JVZoo platform, yeah?
Yes, it's on JVZoo.
Okay, great.
Awesome. That was the thing I was just about to say. And where can we get it? But obviously, JVZoo, perfect. But
like I said, James, we'll have the full information for our viewers and listeners below the video anyway, with an amazing bonus package. And I'm going to tell our guys in a minute about a particular very special bonus that I'm offering, that we're offering on this particular promotion of CloudFunnels version 2. Because it perfectly complements Cyril's amazing product. You don't even know about this, James, so it's going to be news to you in a minute, yeah?
I need to do the introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome the king of bonuses, the one and only Tony Earp.
Now, James, I know we're at the point where you ask your favorite question.
Yeah. Okay. We've done this question with Cyril, though. So
I know, but I'm sure Cyril's got more than one answer.
Cyril. If you had to start over again tomorrow, live in Thailand with your laptop, your brains, and only $100, what would you do? Now, I know
I would buy. Okay, here's the thing. I'm going to buy, if you ask me today, I'm going to buy CloudFunnels Elite and Pro and start making funnels for all the local businesses here, all the service providers here, and charge them something like $300 a month. And trust me, with just 10 customers, I'm going to be living like a king in Thailand.
Yeah.
Now that's a great answer, Cyril. That's the way to answer on that particular question. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to very quickly explain about this amazing bonus that me and James are going to add to the already amazing bonus package. Yeah, that complements CloudFunnels perfectly. For buying through us, guys, and grabbing CloudFunnels version 2 at the lowest price possible during the launch period, especially at the beginning. Cyril, can you just confirm when the price rises, please?
After the first 4 hours, the price is going to rise every 1 hour or every 40 minutes. I need to see how much, I can charge for it, because
Sure.
I'm not going to hold back.
So really, our viewers and listeners are best grabbing it within the first 24 hours, yeah?
First 4 hours.
Okay.
That's where the early bird is.
Right. So what I'm going to do as a very special bonus that perfectly complements CloudFunnels, I'm going to, for the first 48 hours only, I'm going to offer unlimited lifetime hosting account to host your CloudFunnels install on. Wow. It doesn't get any better than that, guys.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
And I just want to
the best bonus.
Yeah, I just want to point out as well, guys, that this is not cheap, crappy hosting. This is exactly the same hosting that I host my entire business on. All my VPSs, all my shared hosting, everything. It's exactly the same hosting that I trust in my business. So that's a very special bonus that we're going to be adding to our bonus page for the first 48 hours only. Yeah.
Tony, I think I'll buy this. You charge me nearly $20 a month for this.
You're a special case, James.
All right, you just take my money out of my pocket for fun.
Yeah.
Guys, I genuinely use Tony's hosting, and it is probably, in my opinion, the most cutting edge hosting out there. This is not cheap, nasty nonsense. This is a high quality platform, and one that I would put my heart and soul. I've got all my businesses on this hosting.
The other thing of that as well, James, is that with the hosting, you also get free SSL certificates. You also get global CDN network, which is going to help, load your pages and your funnels a lot faster. So that's all included.
CDN mean?
Content distribution network, James.
Sorry, obviously, leave it. Dumb it down for the silly guy in the group, obviously.
Basically, it's just a way of all your images and videos and everything being served quicker, so like your page loads faster. Yeah.
Amazing.
Absolutely. Would that be a good explanation of a CDN, Cyril?
That's perfectly correct, Tony. It's absolutely correct. It's basically a CDN lets you have the images on around the world. And like you said, your media assets, your files get loaded faster, your funnel is faster. It's an amazing, amazing proposition. I got to say that.
And as I say, guys, you get that included and free SSL certificates with your unlimited lifetime hosting account that you can get by purchasing CloudFunnels version 2. Yeah.
That's amazing, Tony. And something I was thinking about when you were talking about that, I saying, if you're the smartest guy in the room, then you're clearly in the wrong room. Well, I know I'm in the right room today with you guys, because you are absolutely on top of your game, on fire, know your stuff. But Tony, that bonus, even if we were just given that bonus alone, would be way, I mean, we did say lifetime there, didn't we?
We don't do just one bonus, James.
Did we say lifetime on that, Tony?
We did say lifetime, yeah.
So we're talking about, even for an average hosting package, we're talking about $20 a month. So we're talking about, and that's not even great hosting, that's like $240 a year, and this is lifetime.
Effectively, the buyers of CloudFunnels version 2 will get that hosting account. They're probably going to save themselves a few $100s a year on hosting.
Wow, that's mental.
You've got to remember,
it's amazing.
You've got to remember, when you install your CloudFunnels install on your hosting, over time, you're building more pages, more websites, more funnels, you're using more server resources, yeah? So potentially you might have to increase, go up to a higher hosting plan. With the plan that we're giving away as a bonus, James, they won't need to do that. Our users
unlimited.
do that. Yeah, our viewers and listeners will never have to do that because it's unlimited. Yeah.
With that. And this software,
amazing.
This is opportunity a lifetime, guys.
It's the perfect complementary product to CloudFunnels.
I agree with that. I gotta say that's absolutely correct for me. It sounds something that's gonna just every CloudFunnels user will love it for sure.
Yeah, absolutely. I think so.
Amazing. And Tony is the king of bonuses, so I guarantee that there's probably about another 30 different things below this. So go check it out. And incidentally, sometimes people say less is more when it's not with Tony, because everything when Tony puts a bonus page, it's SaaS softwares, it's quality things.
Yeah.
More is more.
I've got a lot of products myself, James, as you know. So I'm a little bit like Cyril, but not quite as many as Cyril. But I have got quite an extensive back catalogue of products. Yeah.
You have, most certainly. Well, I think this has been an exceptional episode, guys, for our listeners and our viewers. We've got tons of value. We've clearly got a product that is cutting edge, and it's a one-time fee as opposed to the monthly ones that are prehistoric almost, living on the reputation. And I think what we've got here is an opportunity a lifetime for you that are looking at this right now. And if you don't see the opportunity, you need to wake up. This is an incredible product. Our bonus package just is insane. We've literally just bridged the gap to make it a complete circle with this. The fact that we're now giving supply and hosting, this is a business in a box with the support and the training from Cyril and his team, the cutting edge technology. There's nowhere to go from here. Go buy it. Stop wasting time. Go buy that. Click the button below.
Yeah, guys, all the information.
Totally agree with that.
All the information about CloudFunnels version 2 and the launch and all our bonuses will be on the link below this video in the description. So go check that out. And as I say, you purchase through us, you're going to get that very, very special and, valuable bonus, guys. Yeah.
I would say so. Wow. Tony never told me that before he came on. I would have probably told him to take his medication.
I thought I'd keep it a surprise even from you, James.
Yeah, you didn't have. Well, guys, all I can say is thank you so much, Cyril. Thank you, Tony, for that exceptional bonus. It's been an incredible episode, and we look forward to seeing you all on another episode of those 2IM guys very soon. Take care. Yeah, bye.
Thanks for joining us, Cyril. We appreciate
it.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Cyril. Bye, guys.
Thanks for joining those 2IM guys today. We hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to tune in next time for more interesting subjects, hints and tips on running your internet marketing business.